आरगी टेम्स जोधपुर चैनल में आज हम पढ़ेंगे ऑन्कोलॉजी एमएसएन का एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक जो कि नॉरसेट प्री और एम्स दोनों के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले है इन्फेक्शन और इंक्रीज रिस्क ऑफ द क्रिटेन फॉर्म ऑफ कैंसर, जैसे कि एचपीवी है। एचपीवी यानी कि ह्यूमन पैपिलोरा वायरस, जो कहाँ पे होता है, सर्वाइकल कैंसर, एनल कैंसर और अपर एयरवे कैंसर, यानी कि सर्विक्स का, एनल का और अपर एयरवे कैंसर, 3 करवाता है एचपीवी, ह्यूमन पैपिलोरा वायरस। किसका? सर्विक्स का, एनल का और अपर रिस्पायरेटरी कैंसर। इपिस्टिन बैरियर वायरस लिम्फोमा करवाता है। कौन करवाता है इन्फेक्शन? ये इपिस्टिन बैरी वायरस लिम्फोमा करवाता है। नेजोफेरिंजियल कैंसर, गैस्ट्रिक कैंसर, कोपोसिस कार्सिनोमा, साइटोमेगेलो वायरस, कोपोसी कार्सिनोमा, कोलोन कैंसर, हेपेटाइटिस बी और सी, हिपेटो सेलुलर कैंसर, स्कैनिंग टेस्ट फॉर कैंसर, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, ब्रेस्ट सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन 3 to 5 days आफ्टर द पीरियड स्टार्ट, every month after menopause, 1 day of every month or any risk day, fixed day in a month. Clinical breast examination performable every 3 years. Monograph after the age of 40 years. Cervical cancer, woman increase 21 year pap test in dirt. Colon cancer, fecal occipital blood test, guidance based test, post progesterone cancer, progesterone specific antigen PSA। वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे फरवरी 4, मतलब 4 फरवरी को वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे मनाया जाता है। वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे 2021 को इट लीड बाय थीम आई एम एंड आई विल। और ट्यूमर मार्कर कौन किसका है वो देख लो। CEA मतलब कि ये किसका है? कोलोनोरेक्टर ब्रेस्ट। और टाइप ऑफ कैंसर कौन सा है? कोलोनोरेक्टर ब्रेस्ट लंग कैंसर। टोटल PSA प्रोस्टेट कैंसर फ्री, PAS डिजिटेंडुलर प्रोस्टेट कैंसर फ्रॉम BPH, HCG ग्राम सेल एंड ट्रोफोब्लास्टिक ट्यूमर्स, NMP722 ब्लैडर कैंसर, NA125 ओवेरियन कैंसर, NA53 ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, AFP ग्राम सेल ट्यूमर लीवर कैंसर। कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट modalities. Cancer treatment modalities. Surgical management for cancer consists of diagnostic, surgical, biopsy, surgery as primary treatment, prophylactic surgery, palliative surgery and reconstructive surgery. Biopsy, it can be incisional, excisional and needle method. When surgery is considered as primary treatment option, debulking surgery will be performed. Prophylactic surgery, remove of non-vital tissue or organ which are in increased risk of developing cancer. Palliative surgery, surgeon perform to the improve quality of life as a symptomatic management when surgery remove of tumor is not possible. Reconstructive surgery performed to improve function or for cosmetic effect. Chemotherapy, adjuvant use of systematic treatment following surgery and radiation. Neoadjuvant use of systematic treatment priorly to perform surgery or radiation. Nadirs period of lowest blood cell and platelet count as a Side effect of chemotherapy is canoes, nadiatus, fatigues, allopathia, nausea, vomiting, anemia, thrombocytopenia, and leukopenia are expected during chemotherapy. Radiation therapy, talent therapy, radiation source is external to patient body, delivered through inner oscillatory. It is also known as external beam radiation. Brachial therapy, radiation source is inside patient about patient body. Seed or wire are used to deliver radiation. It is also known as internal beam of radiation. Patient emits radiation that is consist hazards to other. Gray in the unit of absorbed radiation dose equal to 100 rays. T and M classification. T यानी extent of primary tumor, N यानी lymph node involvement, M यानी distant metastasis. T a primary tumor cannot be associated. T यानी no evidence of primary tumor. T is cancer in situ. T1, T2, T3, T4 increasing size or local extent of primary tumor. Religion, lymph node, and LX religion lymph node cannot be associated. N0 no religion lymph node involvement. N1, N2, N3 based upon the extent of regional lymph node. MX distant metastasis cannot associated. N बराबर NO distant metastasis. M1 distant metabolism. Previous most common type of oral cancer sequences cell cancerous risk factor तंबाकू use alcohol viral HPV EBV hippus syphilis poor dental hygiene exposure to radiation malnutrition LIOP oral cavity cancer in most common cancer among male in India. Laryngeal cancer, it is a malignant growth in the larynx. Glottic in the most common type, followed by the supraglottic and then subglottic. Risk factor: smoking, alcohol exposure to chemicals such as sulfonic acid, mist, and asparagus. Clinical manifestation: early symptoms, hoarseness of voice, change in the quality of voice, painless limp in the throat, dysplasia, dyspnea, weight loss, weakness, and hematitis. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy can be used as treatment modality. Laryngostomy in the surgery of choice. Surgical responsibility following laryngostomy assist the client for respiratory complication and ensure a patient airway fowler position to the client for better gas exchange. Stabilize in alternative way of communication. Speech therapy, esophageal speech, elective larynx, transesophageal punctures. Cancer of larynx, malignant growth in the bronchi and peripheral lungs tissue, small cell carcinoma, non-small cell carcinoma, sequence cell carcinoma, adenocarcinoma, large cell carcinoma. Risk factor: smoking, active and passive exposure to chemicals such as silica, cotton, must, gas. Clinical manifestation: cough, wheezing, dyspnea, hoarseness, hemoptysis, chest pain, anorexia, weight loss. Management: chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery. Pneumotomy, surgical remove of entire lungs. Lobectomy, surgical remove of one lobe in the lungs. Segmental resection, surgical remove of limb lobes segment. Nursing management: provide follower position to the client, provide humidify oxygen after drainage tube in the node, inserted after pneumothorax to cirrhosis, fluid accumulation over the space, remove lungs, and it provided the shift of mediastinum hurt the other lungs. Cancer of the stomach, gastric carcinoma. It is the invasion of the cancer in the inner cell lining of the stomach. Risk factor: spicy food, smoked food, slight food, low fluid and vegetables in diet. H. pylori infection, smoking, alcohol, family history, clinical manifestation, early symptom: indigestion, abdominal discomfort and fullness in the stomach, other nausea, vomiting, anorexia, weight loss, abdominal pain, fatigue, dysplasia, iron deficiency, anemia, palpable abdominal mass. Diagnosis: endoscopy with biopsy, treatment of choice: tumor reaction, resection, and partial or complete gastric resuscitation. Subtotal gastrectomy: part of the stomach will be removed. It is of two types. Bilirubin first is also known as a gastroduodenostomy. Stomach is partially reset and removing portion is the anastomosis to duodenum. Bilirubin second is also known as gastroduodenotomy. Stomach is partially restored and remaining portion is anastomosis to duodenum. Total gastrostomy: complete exclusion of stomach from by anastomosis of stomach either to duodenum or to jejunum. Majority of the gastric carcinomas are adenocarcinoma. Most commonly type of the lungs cancer is adenocarcinoma. Lungs cancer is most common cancer among male worldwide. Lungs cancer is most common cancer. Death in India and world. Carcinoma of liver, hepatocellular carcinoma. Risk factor: hepatitis B and C infection, cirrhosis of liver, smoking, alcohol intake. Male are at increased risk than female. Common presenting symptoms: risk: right upper quadrant, mass, pain, weight loss. Diagnosis: biopsy, blood test, CT, MRI. Primary hepatocellular carcinoma: increased level of alpha fetoprotein in seen. Treatment: hepatic resection, liver transplantation, percutaneous ablation, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, memorization. Colon cancer: most common type of colon cancer is adenocarcinoma. Risk factor: inflammation, bowel disease, family history, decreased fibers intake, decrease red meat and fat in diet. Age: increase 15 year. Diagnosis: fecal occult blood test, sigmoidoscopy, colonoscopy, air concident, brim enema, carcinogen, embryonic antigen. Diagnostic: colonoscopy along with the biopsy is considered as golden standard tool for diagnosis cancer of the colon. Clinical manifestation: hematocrania, hematocytokinesia, melena, change in bowel pattern, weakness, anemia, palpitate, abdominal mass. Treatment: surgical resection of the cancerous cell along with regional lymph node and anastomosis, chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Colostomy and ileostomy may be in place after the surgery of colon cancer. In ileal stoma, this is a great risk associated with fluid and electrolyte imbalance. Complication of colostomy: peritonitis, abuse, fistula formation, hemorrhage, intestinal obstruction. A normal healthy stoma in the mostly and pink or red color. Location of the stoma in colostomy: ileal stoma, appearance of stool, initially green in color, yellow occurrence, patient stay to eat. Ascending colon liquid from ट्रांसफ़र, असेंडिंग कॉलम में क्या आएगी लिक्विड, और ट्रांसफ़र में आएगी सेमी सॉलिड, और डिसेंड में आएगी क्लोज टू नॉर्मल स्टूल, और सिग्मोइड में भी क्या आ जाएगी क्लोज टू नॉर्मल स्टूल. ब्रेस्ट कैंसर इज मोस्ट कॉमन कैंसर इज वुमेन, इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड. इन्वेसिव डक्टल कार्सिनोमा इन मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. Upper outer quadrant of the breast tissue is the most commonly affected area. Risk factor: early menarche, late menopause, late first childbirth, or nulliparity. Female history: obese, exposure or to radiation, previous history of cancer to ovary, breast and uterus. Women who are not lactate, increase replacement, use of OCP and hormone. Alcohol कंफ्यूज ज़्यादा पी रही है, मतलब अल्कोहल ज़्यादा यूज़ करी है. क्रिटिकल मैन्युफैक्चर: न्यू लिम्फ और मास इन द ब्रेस्ट, इरिटेशन और डम्पलिंग इन द ब्रेस्ट, स्किन सिक्रीशन अदर देन मिल्क फ्रॉम निप्पल, चेंजेस इन शेप ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट. डायग्नोसिस: नीडल बायोप्सी, मेमोनोग्राफी, ultrasound, PET, MRI. Breast examination. Treatment: chemotherapy, hormone therapy. Only for these women who have estrogen receptor positive tumor. Radiation therapy and surgical management. Metastasis: most common site for metastasis in bone formed by lungs, liver and skull are also the site of the metastasis. Liver, skull और bone.